Hello everyone, this is the demo for the super user reports in the Salesforce Tool Suite Chrome extension. Now let's start. Let us open report section. From here, super user. Now we can download these Excels from the super user. For now, I'm going to select all of them. It will generate a single Excel and it will add all the sheets in that. Save. Now let us open that sheet here. So this is the API access sheet. So here are the users which have access to your org's APIs, Mukul Tanwar, Navpreet, Gini, and moving onward to admin. These are the admin in your org. Data export, these are the users that can export the data from your particular org. Moving to password never expire. These are the users, and the last one is view all and modify all. Here there are three users which can modify and view all Mukul Tanwar integration and security use. That's it. Thank you.